Welcome to the weekly manifesting report with the angels. This week, we're looking at the entire month of November 2021, the energy for manifesting for this month. And also, in particular, we're going to look at the beginning of the month this week, November 1st through November 7th. For those who don't know me, my name is Rachel Avalon. I'm a spiritual coach, an angel channel, and angel healer. I am extremely passionate about combining the magic of the angels and law of attraction and manifestation to help you to manifest your goals faster. So the way this works is you need to choose numbers 1, 2, or 3, or whatever combination of those you feel most drawn to from the images here. You can place your hands on your heart, take a moment to connect and tune in, and choose whichever numbers stand out to you the most. First, I'm going to give you an overview of the energy for this month and also this week, and then we're going to get into the specific messages that correspond to numbers 1, 2, and 3. So stay tuned for that. So November is an extremely powerful time for manifestation. The energy for this month overall is supporting us in expanding our manifesting potential, expanding our manifesting power, because the number 11, which November is, the 11th month, it is all about pure creation energy. Number 11 signifies pure creation, which is essentially manifestation. And the number 11 also represents a gateway, a portal, like two pillars together, one and one. They represent a gateway opening us up to infinite potential, to infinite abundance, to our infinite power, our infinite potential as we co-create with the angels and the universe. And the angels are talking all about focusing on love. And what they're talking about in terms of love more specifically is your love in terms of your passions. Like, what do you love to do? What brings you the most joy? What lights you up the most? Really focusing on that, getting in touch with what your heart and soul love to do, what you love spending time doing, who you love spending time with, and really focusing on that to open your heart to access increased manifesting power, increased manifesting potential, and ultimately to have increased joy and abundance and freedom here on this earth in this lifetime now, to amplify what you came here to do, to shine your light brighter, which is going to bring more personal power to you to manifest your goals. And it's going to also, create more magic in your life. They're also talking about igniting a sense of adventure. So, allowing yourself to be more carefree, to have more sense of adventure. Again, continuing to focus on this, whatever that thing is, or several things, or relationships, or people, or places that give you that sense of like that zest for life where you just feel so inspired. They want you to feel so inspired. And that's what this energy of this month is all about, this creativity, this inspiration, which is how you access pure manifestation and your manifesting potential. And they're also talking about this new moon, which is coming up this week on November 4th, which is an extremely powerful new moon that is, building up to the 1111 portal, which you may have heard about. So 1111 is even more powerful than 11 on its own, exponentially amplified manifestation energy. On November 11th, there is a powerful energetic portal that is helping us to open up to even greater levels of manifestation, that is helping us to accelerate our path to our goals, that is helping us to align with our soul purpose and our soul mission. So use this new moon coming up on the 4th of November to help you to set clear intentions for how you desire this month to go, the rest of the year, and even into next year. Because as we harness this powerful manifesting potential, this powerful manifesting energy coming through this month, it's going to help you to catapult even faster, to quantum leap to your goals this month and over the coming months and into 2022. It's setting us up to catapult us towards next year. So if you want any help with working with the angels on the new moon to manifest your goals, to harness the power of that new moon, I do have a free guide for manifesting with the angels and the moon, which is extremely powerful, where I give you the rituals and prayers that I use on the new moon and full moon that have helped me to manifest some big goals in my life. You can access that now at the link below. And I also have a really special invitation for those of you who would like to work with the angels and the 1111 energetic portal that I've just been speaking about to harness this magical manifesting power that's coming through. I am doing a live energy activation with the angels on November 11th, and it is only $11 to join. During this activation session, you're going to receive powerful healing from the angels to clear blocks to your goals, to clear obstacles on your path, to manifesting your goals. And they're also going to do a special alignment for you to align you more fully with your soul purpose and your soul mission, to help you to harness and integrate the powerful light codes and abundance codes that are coming through so that you can use them for maximum benefit in your life to achieve your goals and dreams and make quantum leaps. I've been doing these activations with the angels for many years, and the people who have experienced them love them and have experienced many amazing blessings happening in their life as a result of these activations. So if you want to read the testimonials, you can have a look at the link below, and you can also sign up there. There are limited spots available for just $11. Okay, so now let's get into numbers 1, 2, and 3. If you chose number 1, this message comes to you from Archangel Jophiel. And what she would like you to know about this month is that it is a time for letting go of trying to control the outcome of your goals. She's talking about focusing even more on the present moment, of letting go as much as you can about dwelling on the past or worrying about the future and trying to figure it all out. She's saying you're a little bit too much in your head. She wants you to lighten this energy up, to allow yourself to enjoy the present moment even more, to be even more spontaneous, as we were talking about earlier, to ignite this sense of adventure, for having more fun, enjoying the present moment more, and allowing more space, more expansiveness to flow around your goals. So that doesn't mean to not set clear intentions or to not set your goals and to be focused on them. You can absolutely set clear intentions and use this power of the new moon coming up on the 4th of November to do this, and feel the energy of your goals around you and feel yourself as already stepped into that energy, has already manifested those goals. All that stuff is really powerful to do, but at the same time, she wants you to allow more time and space for that surrender energy, for that space of expansiveness to flow through, to allow the angels and the universe to take some of this burden off you of trying to figure out how everything's going to come together. Allow them to take some of that load off of you by letting go of worrying about the outcome and how it's all going to come together. It's going to come together much faster, much smoother, much more easily. So use the power of this new moon to help you to set these clear intentions, connect with the energy of your goals, and then give them over to the universe and the angels to bring that synchronicity, to bring that magic to you, so these amazing new opportunities can flow to you faster. If you chose number 2, this message comes to you from Archangel Raziel, who is a super magical angel, and he is talking all about taking a new approach, having a fresh perspective on your goals. So there might be some big goals that you've been manifesting for a while, or some projects that you've been working on, and he wants you to take a step back. Take a step back, especially during this new moon. Take a step back. This is a time to go within, to connect, to connect with the angels, to connect with your soul, to connect with the universe. But it's just taking that quiet time and allowing new insights to come through, new information to come through. And this creative energy, which we've been talking about for this month, is going to help you to see things differently. They're also talking about focusing on doing something that's different than what you've been doing, like switching things up, taking more time to do creative projects, to do things like maybe yoga, or just taking walks, or doing something that's more fun and more playful, maybe taking more time to play with your children. Whatever it is that can just take you away from the kind of heaviness or seriousness of the projects or the goals that you've been manifesting that they know are so important to you, but that maybe you've been feeling stuck, or maybe something's just not clicking yet and you're not quite seeing what you need to do, or something's feeling a bit heavy with them. Switching things up, doing different activities that take your mind off of your goals, just having fun, living in the moment, is going to help you to feel more expansive, create more space around your goals, so that when you come back to your goals, when you revisit them, when you come back to your work or your projects, whatever it is that you've been working with and working towards, you're going to see things differently. You're going to have a fresh perspective on things. There are going to be new insights and new ways of seeing things It's going to help the universe to rearrange things for you, to get things working for you faster, to get the momentum moving faster. It's also going to give you more energy and more vitality and give you that boost and that oomph to get you going, to get things moving faster this month and towards the end of this year. If you chose number 3, this message comes to you from Archangel Haniel, and she is letting you know that this month is all about clarity, organization, and prioritization for you. So what this means is, she said there's a lot of insight that's going to come through, especially during this week, during this new moon, as we build up to the 11/11 portal, where you're going to have a lot of guidance coming through from the angels, from the universe, from your higher self. She's talking about paying attention to your dreams. There's going to be a lot of information coming through your dreams. She's also talking about looking at the signs that you've been receiving. So if you've been seeing a lot of angel numbers, or maybe birds, or maybe coins, or rainbows, or butterflies, or some kind of sign or symbol that you've been seeing over and over and over again, pay attention to that. And if you're not sure, or if you're not sure if you've been receiving signs, you can actually call upon the angels to help you with this. Call upon the angels and let them know that you would like to receive a clear sign that you recognize clearly. Archangel Haniel is also coming through for you because this is a time for you to heighten your intuition, to heighten your spiritual gifts, to trust your spiritual gifts even more, to trust your intuition even more. So if you're confused about what signs you're receiving or what messages you're receiving, they're saying, trust what feels expansive, trust what feels uplifting to you, trust what you feel drawn to, and know that this expansiveness, this upliftingness, this whatever this is that helps you to feel more joyful, that, you know, that zest for life feeling, that expansive energy that lights you up, that helps you to feel more inspired. This is all guidance guiding you to your path to achieve your goals and dreams. So those are your messages for this month of November and the week ahead. Don't forget to download your free Manifesting with the Angels guide, and also to check out the 11/11 energy activation with the angels at the link below. Have an amazing week, sending new moon and angel blessings, and I'll see you guys back here next week.